One of the color features of Galaxy flagships over the past few years has been the option to set a short video as your lock screen wallpaper. You can use any video that you have on your phone. It works great with video samples taken with the phone itself, especially portrait ones. In this video, I will show you amazing Galaxy S10 display fingerprint scanner wallpaper you can use in your phone lock screen. Go to the Settings app and head to the Wallpapers and Themes menu, where you would normally change your wallpaper, and search for fingerprint. It is free for limited time. It is available in green, red, and blue. Download and apply while it is free. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.